The main physical characteristics of pandas are that they are covered with black and white fur and eat bamboo as their staple food. Rabbits have very long ears and can hear even small sounds. They have a very well-developed sense of smell and can smell very well. Ostriches have unusually long legs and necks that are suitable for running. It can't fly because of the deterioration of its wings. Ducks have a round body, a flat, broad beak, and short-webbed feet. Pelicans are the largest living terrestrial animals on Earth. Usually grass roots and sugarcane feed on elephants. Goats are not picky in their diet. They are gentle and active, and they are easy to raise due to their small size. Locust sounds are usually the males calling the females to mate. Horses are anxious when alone, tend to herd, and are herbivores. Kangaroos have long hind legs and are strong enough to jump around in strides. Lima's head resembles a camel, but her ears are long and pointed. It has 2 toes on its front and hind feet. Sheep are herbivores and are representative animals that do not fight and live in groups. Camels are livestock mainly used as a means of moving through the desert or transporting cargo. Chickens have feathers and beaks and a pair of wings. The female of the chicken is called a hen and the male is called a rooster. Cows are herbivores, have 2 horns and vary in color, size, and appearance. Buffalo is lean and heavy. The fur is black or dark brown. Butterflies are insects that are active during the day and are popular with people because of their beautiful wings. Giraffes are herbivores that feed mainly on grass. The legs and neck are very long compared to the body.